Guys, Call Me Blue here. This is going to be my first video out of many. I just wanted to show you guys that I finally got my HDMI cable to work with my Turtle Beach X1s, or XL ones. And I'm going to show you guys, I guess, how to do it, and a little thing how I did it, and why I did it. So yeah, let me just grab my Xbox real quick. Okay, but I have the old thing of Xbox, so I have this little thing right here, and what I did is Jesus Christ, it's so hard to maneuver. Well, I cut it open right here, and then I just got enough room to jimmy in the thing, and it actually works, so I'm really, really, really glad it actually works. But just do that, and I'm gonna show you guys what I used, I guess. Why not? But yeah, so I used just circular file, big ass knife, flat file, and just do that. See, I took out a couple. Damn it! I dropped my phone. Yeah, I took out a couple pieces there. This is all just plastic dust. But yeah, guys, PlayStation 3. Yeah, guys, there's, well, that's kind of, I guess, how you do it. It's just, it works amazing. Everything just looks so much better. You guys have to do this if you have an Xbox and an HDMI cable. But, yeah, I'll be uploading, live streams now. So, cool. Well, I'm Colin Blue. See you later, guys.